Welcome to our Halloween office decoration guide. With Halloween just around the corner, it's the perfect time to bring some spooky vibes to your workspace. Whether you're working from home or in a corporate setting, decorating your office for Halloween can be a fun way to break the routine and spark some creativity. Plus, it's a great way to show off your festive spirit to coworkers and clients alike. Creating a Halloween office atmosphere doesn't mean you have to sacrifice professionalism. In fact, with the right approach, you can strike the perfect balance between spooky and stylish. Whether you go for a subtle, elegant theme or a full-on haunted office vibe, there are plenty of ways to add some Halloween fun to your workspace without going overboard. In this video, we'll explore various Halloween office decoration ideas, from eerie lighting to themed desk accessories and wall decor. We'll also give you some tips on how to keep your space functional while still getting into the Halloween spirit. So, if you're ready to transform your office into a festive, spooky haven, let's dive in. First, let's start with the desk, the centerpiece of your office space. Adding Halloween-themed desk accessories is an easy and fun way to bring the spooky season into your workspace without making it too overwhelming. 1. Halloween-themed stationery. One simple way to incorporate Halloween into your office is by switching up your stationery. Look for pens, notebooks, and paper clips in Halloween colors like orange, black, and purple. You can also find items featuring cute ghosts, pumpkins, or bats to add a playful touch. 2. Festive mouse pads and keyboard covers. Consider swapping out your usual mousepad for a Halloween-themed one. Look for designs with haunted houses, witches, or skeletons. Some places even sell spooky keyboard covers that add a bit of Halloween flair without affecting your workflow. 3. Mini desk figurines and decor. Add a little spooky charm to your desk with small Halloween figurines or decor items. Mini pumpkins, skulls, or even a tiny cauldron can be placed on your desk to bring the holiday spirit to your workspace. These subtle additions keep the Halloween theme alive without cluttering your desk. 4. Halloween coffee mugs. Swap your regular coffee mug for one with a Halloween theme. Whether it's a spooky design or a fun Halloween quote, it's an easy way to add a festive touch. 5. Desk plant decorations. If you have desk plants, consider adding small Halloween decorations to them. Tiny spiderwebs, fake spiders, or mini pumpkins can give them a seasonal twist. 6. DIY paper bats or ghosts. For a simple, budget-friendly option, make DIY paper bats or ghosts and hang them on your cubicle walls or near your desk. It's a quick way to add some festive flair. If these spooky office decoration ideas inspired you, be sure to like this video and share it with your coworkers or friends who love getting into the Halloween spirit. Next, let's talk about how to decorate the walls or cubicle dividers in your office. These areas offer a lot of space to get creative without disrupting your work environment. 1. Halloween garlands and banners. Hang Halloween garlands or banners across your cubicle or on the walls behind your desk. Choose from classic options like paper pumpkins, ghosts, or bats, or go for a more subtle look with black lace or metallic-themed garlands. 2. Spooky posters or prints. Replace your regular office posters with Halloween-themed prints. Look for spooky art, vintage Halloween illustrations, or fun Halloween sayings to add a festive vibe to your office. You can easily find printable designs online to frame or pin up temporarily. 3. Fake spider webs. One of the easiest ways to add some spooky ambience is by draping fake spider webs over your cubicle walls, around your office door, or across shelves. It's an inexpensive decoration that can instantly give your office a haunted feel. 4. Halloween-themed bulletin board. If you have a bulletin board in your office, switch it up for Halloween. Add Halloween-themed push pins, spooky messages, and cutouts of pumpkins or bats. This is a great way to show off the festive spirit while keeping things organized. 5. Hanging witch hats or lanterns. If your office has space for hanging decor, consider adding floating witch hats or hanging lanterns in Halloween colors. This adds a whimsical and eerie element to your workspace. 6. Halloween decals or stickers. For a more temporary option, use removable Halloween decals or stickers on cubicle walls, windows, or glass partitions. They're easy to put up and take down once Halloween is over. How do you plan to decorate your office for Halloween? Drop your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your eerie office setups. Lighting can make or break the atmosphere, especially when it comes to Halloween. Eerie lighting will transform your office into a spooky yet inviting space. 1. String lights in Halloween colors. Add string lights in Halloween colors like orange, purple, and black around your desk or office space. You can drape them across cubicle walls, windows, or shelves for a cozy yet spooky ambience. 2. LED candles. Real candles are not always practical in an office setting, but LED candles can provide the same warm, flickering glow without the fire hazard. Place a few on your desk, shelves, or windowsill for a ghostly effect. 3. Desk lamps with colored bulbs. Another great way to enhance the Halloween vibe is by swapping out your regular desk lamp bulb for a colored one. Try orange or purple for a subtle yet effective spooky glow. 4. Blacklight or glow-in-the-dark elements. For a more dramatic effect, consider using a blacklight to make glow-in-the-dark decor pop. You can add glow-in-the-dark stickers, paint, or even office supplies to complete the look. 5. Halloween lanterns. Decorative Halloween lanterns with cutouts of pumpkins, witches, or bats can be placed around your office. They create eerie shadows and enhance the overall spooky ambience. 6. Fog machines for office events. If your office allows, a small fog machine can add a fun, eerie vibe during office Halloween parties or events. It's a great way to create a spooky atmosphere without being too over the top. For more Halloween decor ideas and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new idea to bring some spooky vibes into your space. Finally, if you're planning an office Halloween party, these decorations will help you set the perfect mood for the celebration. 1. Themed tablecloths and centerpieces. Set up a Halloween-themed table for snacks or drinks with a spooky tablecloth and a few decorative centerpieces. You can use a fake skull, pumpkin, or cauldron filled with candy or party favors to keep things festive. 2. Halloween-themed food labels and signage. If your office Halloween party includes food, add themed food labels to the table. Use labels shaped like tombstones or witches' hats to identify snacks. You can also create fun signs to direct people to different areas of the office party, like a witch's brew for the drink station or a spider snacks for the dessert table. 3. Party favors and treat bags. Send your coworkers home with a little Halloween spirit by offering treat bags filled with candy, small trinkets, or themed office supplies. Decorate the treat bags with stickers or stamps featuring Halloween motifs. 4. Balloon arrangements. Create balloon arrangements in Halloween colors, and consider using balloon weights shaped like pumpkins or bats to hold them in place. These can act as festive focal points for your office or party space. 5. DIY photo booth. Set up a simple DIY photo booth for the office party. Use a Halloween-themed backdrop and offer props like witch hats, masks, or fake mustaches for coworkers to take photos and share on social media. 6. Pumpkin carving contest. Host a pumpkin carving contest for your coworkers. Provide small pumpkins and carving tools, and let everyone get creative. Display the finished pumpkins around the office for extra decor. Looking for more Halloween decoration tips? Check out our Halloween decor playlist for plenty of ideas to get your home and office ready for the spooky season. And that's a wrap on our Halloween office decoration guide. From eerie lighting and spooky desk accessories to full-on office party decor, there are so many ways to transform your workspace into a Halloween haven. Love the decorations you saw today? Check the description below for links to all the Halloween office decor products featured in this video, and get ready to spook up your workspace. Remember, the key to a successful Halloween office setup is finding the right balance between festive and functional. Don't forget to have fun with it, whether you go all out with creepy decor or keep it simple with a few themed accessories. Bringing a bit of Halloween spirit into your office is a great way to get into the season.